Welcome to Fastlane Tech Training, where we simplify tech and sharpen your skills. Today, we're diving into the world of container orchestration and taking a closer look at two popular options, Kubernetes and Docker Swarm. With both platforms offering powerful solutions for managing containers, it can be overwhelming to decide which one is right for your organization. But worry not, because in this video, we'll be breaking down the differences between Kubernetes and Docker Swarm, so you can make an informed decision. So what exactly is container orchestration? Well, in simple terms, it's the process of automating the deployment, scaling, and management of containers. And with the rise of microservices architecture, container orchestration has become a crucial aspect of modern software development. Now, let's talk about Kubernetes. It's an open-source container orchestration tool developed by Google and is widely considered the industry standard. Kubernetes offers a robust and highly customizable platform for managing containers, making it a popular choice for large-scale deployments. Its ability to handle complex workloads and its extensive community support make it a top choice for many organizations. On the other hand, we have Docker Swarm, a container orchestration tool created by Docker, the company behind the popular containerization platform. Unlike Kubernetes, Docker Swarm is built into the Docker engine, making it easier to set up and use. It also has a more user-friendly interface, making it a great option for smaller businesses or teams with limited resources. But here's the key insight. While Kubernetes may seem like the obvious choice for larger organizations, Docker Swarm offers a simpler and more streamlined solution for smaller teams. It all comes down to your specific needs and resources. So, which one should you choose? Well, that depends on your organization's size, technical expertise, and the complexity of your container deployments. If you're a larger organization with complex workloads, Kubernetes might be the better option. But if you're a smaller team looking for a user-friendly and cost-effective solution, Docker Swarm could be the way to go. This clip is brought to you by Fastlane, your global IT training partner. If you want to learn more about Kubernetes, Docker Swarm, or other tech topics, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.